Next, we'll be talking about this method of moving average. Now, there are method of moving average, different methods. There are 3 years moving average, 5 years moving average, 7 years moving average, and all. Okay. Herein we'll be explaining 3 years moving average and 5 years moving average in these two cases, right? Now, herein, as per the moving average method, we need to remember few things out here. That an average is nothing but the arithmetic mean of fixed number of items known as periods, which moves through a series by dropping the first item of the previously average group and adding next to the each of successive years. And the second is the value so computed is considered the trend value for the unit of the time falling at the center of the period using in the calculation of the average. Now this is important, center. So it means what? Let's take an example. I'm having the value, example I'm giving the value, let's say in 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007 and all. So what I'm 2008 and all. So I'm getting 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 data we are having. If I'm using 3 years average, so what I will do, I will take the average of 3 years, 10 plus 20 plus 30. So it is 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 30 is 60, 60 divided by 3 is 20. So I will leave here, I will mention 20 here. Clear? Similarly, in the next time, I will consider these three. So 20, 30, 50, 50 plus 40, 90. 90 divided by is 30. So I will mention 30 out here. Clear? So similarly, we will do this calculation and the last one will be left accordingly. You understood? Now, if I am taking 3 years moving average, I am putting the value in the center, this middle one, and that is the reason it is mentioned at the center. Clear? So I am leaving the first one. Done. So I am putting the value of the trend, moving average trend, 20 units in this position. Now, simple question. If it is a 3 year, center is 2. If it is 5 year, then center is 3. Correct? So then I will mention here. It is 3 year. It is 5 years moving average. So I will leave 2. Third position will be there. Correct? This is the center. 5 year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? If it is 7 year moving average, then I will leave 1, 2, 3 I will leave. Fourth I will put, because fourth is the middle point or the central point of 7 year. Clear? Hope you have understood the initial concept. Now let's take this example so that you can understand in detail. Herein the problem is given that the wages of the certain factory workers are given as below. Okay, and use the 3 year moving average concept. Okay, indicate the trend in wages. Now this is 2004, wages is 1200 rupees, 2005 1500 rupees, in 2006 1400 rupees, okay, of the factory workers. This is the wages it is given. In 2007 average is it is given 1750 rupees wage, then 1800, 1700 and so on, so forth. Now what we need to do, we need to use moving average method for 3 years. So what I have done, I have just written in this way: year 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 2012, and wages 1200, 1500, 1400 and so on and so forth. I have just, instead of row, I have mentioned in column wise. Now I am using the 3 years moving average method. Now what is that? I am adding this 1, 2, 3. What is the average is coming? I am writing here. Similarly, I will take average of this, and I will write it here. Similarly, I will take the average of this, and I will write it here. So first and last will be untouched. Clear? Now, see, as it is, I am taking the average 1200 plus 1500, which is 1700, 2700, 2700 plus 1400. So 2700 plus 1400 is what? 4100. 4100 divided by 3 is 1366.67. Similarly, for the next one, I'm taking the average of 1500 plus 1400 plus 1750 divided by 3, and I'm putting it, writing it here, 1550. So in this manner, we are calculating the next year's 3 years moving average value. Hope you have understood this, and then next we will be discussing or taking an example of 7 years moving average.